Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Feature Friday, as I say, every Friday. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Betsy, and I am a realtor here in the Denver metro area, kind of North Metro. And every Friday, I feature a different property, and typically I do come on live on Facebook so that you can join in, comment, talk, tell me what you think while we're on. But also because you never know what's gonna happen when you're at a showing. So it's always fun to just do it live. But this week, I'm not able to do it live. The house that I chose is in a not so good cell phone service range. And so I didn't want it to cut out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and record, and then I'll load it up and you guys can see it because it's actually a pretty cool house. So I watch this neighborhood. It's in Brighton. And so that's up near like 160th and Quebec area. This house, it's like North Todd Creek neighborhood. It was built in 2001. It is listed at 1.2 and it is almost 6,500 square feet ranch, and it is on 1 acre. And this neighborhood, I love this neighborhood. I watch it, I pay attention because it's so cute. It's like there's no sidewalks, huge lots, beautiful homes, and they're just so cute. They're nice. This one, I just wanted to see it. So when you guys don't tell me what house you want to be nosy in, then I get to pick what house we're going to be nosy in every Friday. So you got to tell me if there's a house that you're interested in, that you like, a neighbor's house that you're like, Betsy, what's going on with this house? Or a house you drive by that you see and it's for sale and you just want to be nosy and you're just curious. Let me know. Then we can be nosy together next Friday. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this around. We're gonna go through this house. I don't walk through them before, and that's part of the fun for me, is to do this with you and to see the stuff in person at the same time you're seeing it on the video. So I've looked at the photos. They did just take out all of the staging. So it has been on the market for a little bit, but so it did have staging. They just took it all out. So let's turn this around. Okay, so standing with my back to the front door, coming in, there is a living room here, front room, lots of windows. I cannot wait. I want you guys to see the backyard. That's what I'm super excited about. This house has 5 bedrooms, an office here right off the front. It has, let's see, what is this here? I'm guessing it's like a coat closet. It's the perfect spot for a coat closet. Come in here, kitchen. Let's get some lights on. Again, see, I don't even come in and turn lights on, but kitchen, it looks like it's probably pretty original. Yeah, pretty original to 2001. They probably haven't done a whole lot. That's interesting how they did this little maneuver. So I'm just kind of taking it all in as you guys are. So this house also has an ADU, an apartment. So we'll go see that as well, which is there. So main level, it has 3 bedrooms. Finished basement. Okay, so here's powder room here. You guys can see without me turning lights on in there. Laundry room here. So another coat closet, which this could be turned into something so cute, like mudroom bench. Take this out, put in some storage and a bench. How cute would that be? Love it. That would be so cool. Coming in this way. Oh, this is kind of cool. So there's actually a door that will close off the 2 bedrooms in here. So they share this bathroom here. Just basic, smaller bathroom. It's a good size bedroom. So you could definitely put a king size bed in here, dresser. Like this is a good size bedroom. Looks like a standard sliding closet door, double-sided, shallow. Let's see. And just like this one. This one is a smaller bedroom. Probably a queen with dresser probably would be the size of this one. But I like the idea that this can close off. I mean, this could almost be even like a suite, like a living suite for an older kid, or where one area could be kind of either the playroom or like a whole living TV hangout space, and then bedroom, and then they can close it off and have their bathroom. That's kind of cool. All right, so this is primary. So this is a good size. Very good size. Like big. Okay. Looks like windows are original. Let's see. Oh, this is very large shower. Bench. Interesting glass. And that thing is not easy to slide, so we just won't do it, because if I break it, it would not be a good thing. Double vanity. Big walk-in closet. We need lights on for this. Okay, so that's a really good size closet. All right, so let's see what else we got. Let's go downstairs and then we'll do the ADU. Okay, so coming down. Oh, very cool. Make sure I get the lights. Hold on. Okay. So this whole area here, great space for the pool table. Loves me some pool. And then this looks like there's a closet here. Looks like a good sized bedroom. So probably you could do a king probably and a dresser. So it's a pretty good size. Ceilings are extremely tall, which is so nice in a basement. This is like a tile floor. Okay, what's going on over here? So it's like a whole like mini fridge, wet bar, table, bar here, and then like this could be great for a theater down here. And then there's quite a bit, they were saying in the remarks that there's quite a bit of like fireplace down here of unfinished. So here's some unfinished space, which you could expand into. You could add more rooms, like amazing storage, which is always very important. Storage. Okay. All right. I'm going to shut the video off and I will meet you back upstairs. Okay, so let's go out. I don't think they realized that that slider was open, but this is a huge deck. Like, it's amazing. This yard is huge. So it goes all the way out to the street. The trees make it very private. Hot tub. I'll go to that back part, but I wanted to see this. It's locked and I don't have keys. But it's almost like a indoor-outdoor patio that goes between the house and the ADU. I wonder if I go back in, like if this door is unlocked. Yes, it is. All right. So I want you guys to see this too. It does have fully paid solar, which is awesome. So this is like another private deck like the ADU could have. Now, the ADU is fully wheelchair accessible. But you could even have RV parking here. You could have a full basketball court here. And then the yard goes all the way back there. And it's almost like it has, that's like a volleyball court, like what that square would have been used for. I'll give you a better view in a minute. But let's go in and see if we can get into the apartment. Yay! Okay. Nice. Kitchen. So it has full kitchen. Like, how nice is this? Okay. So coming in here, it's a full laundry room in this additional apartment. Great bathroom here that has roll-in shower here. So again, this is all handicap accessible. Large bedroom, large. Like lots of furniture could go in here. I have not seen this color carpet in a very, I don't think ever. I mean, huge closet. Okay, check this out. Shoe cubbies. What? That's so cool. This is so cool. I mean, the kitchen is really nice. In fact, I almost think this kitchen is nicer than the main kitchen. All right, let's go see what's down here. I mean, obviously, if you're on this side, you're not really, I mean, in this huge unfinished basement for this side of the house. Like, you could finish this, rent this out. I mean, this is huge. I'm hoping you guys can kind of still see without the lights turned on, because I don't know where the lights are. Hold on, you've got to see this. Oh, here we go. Like, what? What? This is massive. So it has its own separate furnace and hot water heater. The space pretty much is independent of the main home. It has its own separate entrance. This is awesome. I mean, and these doorways are wide, so it's perfect for anybody with wheelchairs because the door frames are super wide. Okay, so we're gonna go, I wanna show you this. Like, there's so much to see. Okay, so here's the other part of the backyard. Like, what is that for? Is that volleyball? Okay, you guys have to tell me, like, when you're watching this, like, what would that square be used for? Other than volleyball, but it doesn't seem long enough. It seems almost perfectly square. Then it has full garden. I'm guessing they had chickens. And like, it goes so far into the back corner, but look at that raised flower beds and garden area. Like, there's a whole walking path. It's amazing. All right. Like, what? There's so much to this house. It's amazing. Like, so many things to see. So let me know if you're interested. There is an open house tomorrow from 11 to 1, and that is October 18th if you're watching this later. But and you gotta let me know what house you want to be nosy in. So have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you next Friday.